Good morning. This is Andy Tuttle again with the Tuttle Group at Fairway Mortgage. Hope you're doing well and had a great week and looking forward to a good weekend, hopefully for shopping for some homes and maybe finding one. Remember, this is the weekly market update. We do it every week just to make sure you're empowered out there. You have the information you need so you know what's going on in the market, what's happening with rates, how that's going to affect you if you're looking out there to buy right now, and what you may expect going forward the next couple of weeks while you're still shopping for a home. If you're looking at this on our blog and you would like more of these updates, please sign up. And if you've got questions, of course, you can contact us through this website or reach out to us via phone also on the website, and we'll take care of you and help you get a proper pre-approval for your home loan. So here's what we're going to look at today. Now, this is a big week, and we talked about it last week. The upcoming week, we had the Fed speak, and we were going to have the jobs report and a lot of housing data. Well, obviously, all that happened this week, and the two main things were the Fed. Now, they didn't raise the Fed funds rate. We knew they wouldn't raise that. They basically did a copy-paste job from last month's Fed meeting, and there were just a couple of changes in there talking about a potential concern for inflation, but nothing too scary where it spooked the markets. And then the jobs report came out, and the jobs report was actually initially higher than expectations, which typically is bad for bonds. And on that news, stock market did rally. It was up 130 points in the early part of the day. It had a good day altogether. And but there were some underlying pieces of information and revisions lower from the last month's jobs reports that kept bonds a little buoyed and actually saw us get a slight rally, but then it calmed back down and we settled pretty flat for the day and for the week. So let's go to the charts and we'll kind of show you. Remember, this is a price chart, so the lower the price, the higher the rates, and vice versa. Since November 8th, which is actually now gone from the calendar, we've been in a price fall overall, and we saw rates tick up about a point in a month, and then we saw a rally come back from December to the middle of January. And then since then, we've kind of settled into this trading range here. You can kind of see just in the last week or so, we've had a small rally, nothing too big, and now we are right here at this resistance level that has now become a little bit of a floor of support. We over the last few days climbed above that, and now that resistance level, we poke through it here. It's a light floor of support, but it is a floor. We're looking at a little bit of pressure down here from the trading from this 50-day moving average, and so we will see if we can hold this line through next week. We've got some opportunity for the upside here, so that's the good news. We've got over the next week with some of the news coming out and kind of some of the expectation for the Dow to correct still a little bit to the downside here. We've got some opportunity to see a little bit of a rally, so we're going to be carefully floating excuse me, over the next week if you're not already locked in to see if we can get a rally point. The good news for you if you're out there shopping for a home is it means you've got an opportunity to see rates improve by 1/8 to 1/4% while you're out there. You also do have some downside risk, and that is about 1/4% downside risk. So you're still in that 1/2 point range that we talk about where rates can improve 1/4 point while you're out there or worsen 1/4 point while you're out there shopping for a home. It won't be too dramatic on your payment, but that's the range. If it looks like it's going to get a little bit bigger than that, we'll keep you posted. Other than that, remember, we're just a phone call away. You can call us or email us, reach out to us. We want to help you with your offers, with your updating your pre-approvals as needed, giving you updated numbers. Whatever it is that you need, we're here for you. We want to take care of you. So have a great weekend. I know you're dealing with great realtors that are going to take excellent care of you. Happy hunting, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.